Greetings, wizards and witches of the internet realm. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fantastical journey into the wizarding world with a beloved treat, American Butterbeer. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind this enchanting beverage as we dive into its origins, flavors, and the enchantment it brings to both Muggles and magical folk. So, grab your wands and broomsticks, because we're about to explore the world of American Butterbeer. Introduction to American Butterbeer. Did you know that butterbeer is more than just a fictional delight? It's a real-world sensation that brings the magic of J.K. Rowling's wizarding universe to life. Originating from the pages of the Harry Potter series, butterbeer has become a must-try treat for fans and curious Muggles alike. The essence of butterbeer. So, what's the secret behind butterbeer's allure? This delightful drink is a blend of creamy and frothy butterscotch flavors, often topped with a generous dollop of whipped cream. Its taste is reminiscent of a warm hug on a chilly day, evoking feelings of coziness and nostalgia. The real-world creation. While butterbeer may be born from fiction, the magical folks at the wizarding world of Harry Potter theme parks have brought it to life. Using a combination of ingredients like cream soda, butterscotch syrup, and a touch of magic, they've crafted a drink that pays homage to the fictional favorite. Butterbeer variations. Not all butterbeers are created equal. At the theme parks, you can indulge in various forms, including cold, frozen, and even hot versions during the colder months. Each variant offers a unique way to experience the enchantment of this beloved beverage. Cultural phenomenon. Butterbeer has transcended the boundaries of the wizarding world, becoming a cultural phenomenon. From cosplay events to butterbeer-inspired merchandise, fans around the globe celebrate their love for Harry Potter by indulging in this bewitching treat. Butterbeer recipes. The magic doesn't stop at the theme parks. You can brew your own butterbeer at home with a dash of creativity. Various DIY recipes circulate the internet, offering fans the chance to recreate the flavors of the wizarding world in their own kitchens. Magical moments with butterbeer. Butterbeer isn't just a drink. It's a magical moment shared with friends and fellow fans. Whether you're sipping it while rereading your favorite book or raising a glass with fellow Potterheads, every sip is a connection to the enchanting universe we all adore. Butterbeer's literary origins. Let's dive into the literary origins of butterbeer. In J.K. Rowling's beloved Harry Potter series, butterbeer is a popular beverage enjoyed by wizards and witches. First introduced in Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, it's served at the Three Broomsticks Inn and the Hogshead Inn in the village of Hogsmeade. Historical inspiration. Did you know that the concept of butterbeer isn't entirely fictional? Historical recipes for warm beverages made with beer, spices, butter, and sometimes eggs have been found in old cookbooks. These recipes might have inspired J.K. Rowling's creation of butterbeer. Wizarding World theme parks. The magic truly comes to life at the wizarding world of Harry Potter theme parks. These immersive destinations bring the enchanting world of butterbeer to reality. From the cobblestone streets of Hogsmeade to the bustling Diagon Alley, fans can experience the joy of sipping butterbeer in a setting straight out of the books. Butterscotch and creamy goodness. Butterbeer's signature butterscotch flavor is a combination of sweet and creamy notes that evoke feelings of warmth and comfort. The creamy topping, often crowned with a frothy head of whipped cream, adds a delightful texture that enhances the overall experience. Butterbeer and food pairings. Pairing butterbeer with wizarding world-inspired treats takes the experience to a new level. Imagine enjoying butterbeer alongside a plate of chocolate frogs or a slice of pumpkin pasty. The flavors complement each other and create a symphony of enchanting tastes. Butterbeer's global impact. Butterbeer's reach extends far beyond the United States. Fans from around the world have embraced the magic, hosting themed parties, creating their own recipes, and bonding over their shared love for all things Harry Potter. Community and connection. What makes butterbeer truly special is its ability to bring people together. Whether you're bonding with friends over a cold butterbeer at the theme park or attending a Harry Potter-themed event, sharing this magical drink creates a sense of community and connection. Capturing the essence. As I take a sip of this enchanting elixir, I'm reminded of the joy and wonder that the wizarding world has brought into our lives. Each sip is like a taste of the extraordinary, a bridge between reality and fantasy. And there you have it, my fellow magical beings. Our captivating journey through the enchanting realm of American butterbeer. From the pages of the Harry Potter series to the real world, Butterbeer's spell continues to captivate hearts and taste buds. If you're as spellbound by butterbeer as we are, don't forget to cast your approval with a like, subscribe for more enchanting adventures, and share your own magical butterbeer moments in the comments below. Until next time, keep the magic alive and savor every sip.